Hello everyone, it's CHHUOY again on Khmerue Teams Official Channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to upgrade your Instagram account in normal account to a professional account. So the first that you need to do is click on your device that's called Instagram account. And now generally we click on a profile. Click on your profile, and here is the my testings account. And now click on the three hyphens mark on the top right hand side here, and you will see the word setting. Okay, now just click it. After you click this, you will see anything like the themes, security, privacy, or anything. And now you go to accounts here, and you will see the bottom of the text. You will see it is a blue colors that called switch to professional account. Now click on that, and then you have to note that everything is with professional account. You get access inside about your follower and account performance, new contact option, and more. Here is the way, and now you're gonna read more, learn about your followers. Inside followers, see how your posts are performing. And here is the special thing that we can reach more people, create promotion on Instagram to help reach more people and build your community. And the last one is get new contact option. Add contact buttons to your profile to make it easy for people to get in touch with you. So now I don't need to explain anymore anything. Just click on continue, and you will choose your type. What type is your your account to do with, for example, education, health and beauty, writers, personal, blogs, beautiful, just everything is here. Video creator, now I choose that because I am a creator of the video. Display on your profiles here. If you want to the video creator display on your profile, so you need to click that and click done. And now you need to wait about 20 seconds or up to 1 minute, depending on your internet speed. Now there are two types. That one is for a business account, and the other is a creator account. It means a public figures, content producer, artist, and influencer. So you are not a business. If you are not a businessman, you don't need to choose the business. So you need to choose this one here, and then click next. So here is the way that you can do small steps. There are 5 steps that you need to complete. So you need to complete at the first step here. The first step is they ask you to follow them like this. Audience, just click on follow that, and it's me up to 5 creator here. You need to choose up to 5 of them. So you can choose every one that you think you like it. You just scroll down. Okay, now I'm gonna find more. I just choose this. this okay, it fine now, it maybe fine, and then click the text here, and now there are two that already complete, learn from others, and complete your profile. So you need more three more steps. Now click on the key mark here, go to inside, and here you can see inside your viewers, your audience, or anything that but it is the first time of the creator, you will not see anything in here, but a few days ago you will be see anything from here. And now you turn it back and go to promotion here. It is an add tool here, so if you don't want not yet to add any promotion to discover your service, to make people discover your service, you don't need to do that, but you just to view inside, and then you need to click back and click the check mark here, and now we have already done with the 3 steps, and now we're gonna find or invite friends by friend by Instagram or anything, and you can choose your account here. Now you invite friend by this one. Now I'm gonna test it first. Invite friend by Instagram, and then click here. Okay, now you have done with the first step, and the last step is share your photo and video. So now I'm gonna share. You have to share or posting 3 photo or video with your first week for higher engagement. I think you may understand this, but I'm not gonna post now, but I will just explain you, and after you complete this 5 steps, you will be works and see everything inside your account. And now now you're gonna do that first. Okay, you must do it, and I hope this video can help you, and after you share or post any video through this, you will be works, you will be complete all the 5 steps of this account. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you.